Every road trip. The engine roars to life. Beneath us, low, steady, comforting. Rolling down the empty highway and pulling out onto the open road. Rain lightly falling, steady, rhythmic, almost like a song. Each drop, cool against our jackets, but we don't stop. We don't need to. We don't say much, the road. And the views say it all, trees blur past. Their leaves shimmering, beautiful roads through green fields. Their grass lush and shining. Every turn reveals something new. For a moment, we forget the destination. It's just the ride, the breath of the trees, and the freedom of the road. This isn't just a road trip. It's a reminder that sometimes in the middle of nowhere, under gray skies, you find a kind of peace you didn't know you needed.